Now let's review the secrets of a high-tech manufacturing facility. Let's go! This is the entrance of our workshop. First of all, we need to wear such anti-static clothes before entering. Here's the flexible intelligent manufacturing factory of Guangdong Caska Electronic Company. In China, our product brand is Caska, which is the lead brand in our industry. In overseas, the brand we sell is iLinkNew. The so-called flexible intelligent is not only equipped with more advanced electronic manufacturing equipment, including high-end equipment such as Siemens from Germany, Fuji high-speed SMT machine from Japan, and AOI from Taiwan. There are elasticity and flexible lamp production mode. Products need to go through 42 processing procedures, 17 inspection and control links, highlighting the strong manufacturing capacity and level of our company. Let's go in and have a look. This is the SMT workshop. It's mainly used for SMT and wave soldering of PCB board through automation and reliability testing to ensure all manufactured products safe and reliable. This is the automatic flip plate. This is shoulder paste printing. Here's the SMT. This is the flow. Then the AOI detection machine is behind. This is the IPQC detector. This is the assembly automation test. So this is high temperature agent detection. This is the automatic bulk test. This is the packing area. At the same time, Caska also matches professional MPI and product review team. MPI team can ensure that new products quickly, efficiently, high quality to achieve mass production. Product review team can find product design and material problems as soon as possible to avoid the occurrence of batch problems after production. The professional electronic analysis team is responsible for quickly finding the root cause of the problems in the production process and quickly solving them. At present, the manufacturing capacity of our company has reached the level of 6 million units per year, which is capable of providing small batch and multi-batch manufacturing services for customers in domestic and overseas market. This is the core strength of our company. The brand has the inside information. The product has the quality. In the future, we will continue to adhere to the corporate vision of a true partnership, enjoy the life of people and cars, create the concept of automatic electronic intelligent cockpit, and commit to providing comfortable, convenient, and intelligent ideal car life for owners.